So what we are sharing here is mobile building stations. Now, the concept behind mobile building stations is this. Instead of going to the bench, okay, which we all love the bench, but let's face it, sometimes you want to build in a different environment to get a different energy. Okay, so the mobile building stations provide a different environment for different stimulation. Therefore, with different energies, we come up with different builds. So we're going to flip the camera around here and show you some of this. Now, I'm not going to focus too much on the builds that are on the mobile building stations because they're all in, varying degrees of being worked on and finished and whatnot. But the mobile building station itself is what we are sharing here, the idealism. Okay, so this, for example, is about a 12 by 20 board that we have, approximately 3 builds going on right now. And we could take this, in theory, we could take this mobile station anywhere in the home, even outside the home, and build, which is great for on the go, on the fly building. When you get that moment of inspiration and you just want to, even if it's just to drop 1 or 2 parts on a build, that gets it that much closer to the finish line, right? All right, so over here we have a 20 by 14 board, which, has a couple of builds going on it. And they're, again, very mobile, very quick to grab and take anywhere you see fit on building. Up here, we have our 3 Chevrolet Tri-Era 55, 56, 57 builds going on a 20 by 12 mobile building station. So when you're in the mood, you can just grab this and set in your favorite chair while you're watching the game or watching UFC or whatever your viewing pleasure is, and maybe watching MODELMIND72 channel. There you go. Okay, so right here we have Snow White. So here we have a 12 by 12 with Snow White. You can grab this up very easily, take it to any part of the, the house, inside, outside. Sometimes you want to do an outside build, so you can go outside on the deck or the patio and just build. You can go front yard, backyard. Even go to the park. You know, you can be at the park sitting at the bench building. These mobile building stations are absolutely phenomenal for the mobility factor, right? Show you one more over here. You have this is a 12 by 22. Actually got one, two, actually got 3 builds going on that. So, like I say, it's very, very mobile. Great ideal. On this particular mobile building station, we find the 1970 Plymouth GTX Sublime, which is on a 12 by 13 mobile building station.